nothing with any certainty, but the sight of the stars make me dream.
This is a fictionalized account of a real-life story written for educational purposes. In a small village in Rajasthan, all was not well. The women of the village met their sarpanch. We must do something. All the money we earn is wasted on alcohol. And what about the kicks and blows that follow? Alcohol is nothing but misery. What is the point of working so hard? Whatever I earn vanishes on the same day. We need money to feed our children and send them to school, not to buy alcohol. Alcoholism is leading to illness and even deaths in our village. It is an endless struggle. We work hard, earn money, pay for medical treatment, borrow money to feed our children. When will it stop? I propose a ban on alcohol in our village. Yes, we must close down our liquor shop. We must act. The sarpanch and the women in the village led a campaign to ban alcohol. They drafted a resolution and collected signatures from many villagers. We think it is important to ban alcohol. Please sign this resolution. Some villagers did not know how to sign. Even a thumb impression is fine. The village women took the signed resolution to the district collector. We want alcohol to be banned in our village. The collector ordered a poll to be conducted in the village. We will conduct a poll to decide if alcohol should be banned. Villagers have to vote either yes or no to the liquor shop. The local excise law required the villagers to get a 51% majority vote in favor of the alcohol ban. We will have to convince all the villagers that it is in our best collective interest to close down the liquor shop. Finally, the poll was conducted. We must vote. Make sure every adult votes. Soon the results were declared. We have computed the results. An overwhelming majority voted to close down the liquor shop. The villagers win. The excise laws in Rajasthan allow a panchayat to close down a liquor shop if more than 51% people vote in favor. Kachabali became the first village in Rajasthan to ban alcohol and close down its liquor shop. Of course, the only reason this poll was possible was because India is a democracy. Who is a sarpanch? A sarpanch is the elected head of a village. The sarpanch heads the panchayat, the local governing council of the village. The word sarpanch is derived from sar, meaning head, and panch, meaning 5, because originally the council consisted of 5 members. Some villages in India today have a woman sarpanch. These women often have to overcome all kinds of obstacles to reach that position. They sometimes face barriers when they try to get things done. But they continue to strive and make life better for the villagers.